one of the sessions that is going to generate immense interest here at NATE Unite 2016 is there's a session on the National Wireless Safety Alliance, which is a 501c6 organization that was established exclusively to deliver national ANSI accredited wireless worker certification programs. And it's significant because up to this point, the wireless industry has not had a national ANSI accredited certification. And so it's its separate entity. It's got its own board of directors, its own board of governors. But the key piece of this is, for the first time, you'll have a situation when the NWSA's programs get to market where the worker will have their own portable credential and the employer will be able to verify it. And so what happens now is, you have two workers who go through a different training program, they get a card, and it's not always apples to apples. So this is going to elevate safety and quality, we feel, because it's going to standardize the process nationwide, and it's going to set different job categories of workers. And the first two programs to launch with the NWSA will be the Tower Tech 1, which is your entry-level position, and the Tower Tech 2, and they're slated to launch in the fourth quarter of this year. And then eventually the NWSA is going to start working on some of the foreman classifications of worker, antenna and line foreman, structural modification foreman, and tower stacking foreman, and then also DAS systems and small cell systems. So it's going to be really a benefit to the industry at large. And the ANSI accreditation process is extremely rigorous. And so right now the NWSA has a group of about 50 subject matter experts who meet every 6 weeks, and they're actually developing both the computer-based test and the practical field-based test, which both of those are required as a part of the certification. So long term, I think it's going to do wonders from the industry for safety, but also quality. And the vendors and the carriers who are hiring these companies and these workers will have greater confidence in knowing who's on their site and that they are certified and they've passed the same test that the worker in Minnesota has passed the same test that the worker in Massachusetts did. And so it's a game changer in the industry, and I think that will generate a lot of buzz at NATE Unite 2016.